everyone, and welcome to Dolly's Food Fusion,
a cooking show where my wife and I try to recreate my family recipes.
Today we're going to be making a classic staple snack that every Indian knows and loves, the samosa. It's a delicious fried pocket filled with peas, potatoes, and spices, and it takes a bit of skill to fold and make, but as long as you follow our steps, you too can make delicious samosas at home for your family. So what are we waiting for? Let's get cooking! We're going to start with adding 2 cups of maida to a mixing bowl. Also add 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of ajwan seeds. Crush them lightly in your hand as you add them. Now mix this well with your hand. Add 1/4 cup of oil or ghee to your mixture and mix well again. Your dough should now have a breadcrumb-like texture that holds its shape when you squeeze it. Next, add a little water at a time and continue to mix. Stop adding water when your dough just barely holds together and continue to knead. This will be a very tight dough. Too much water will cause bubbles when frying, so keep your dough firm and tight. Now cover this and let it rest for about 30 minutes.
While our dough is resting, we are going to make our filling. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil to a kadai and heat it to medium heat. Add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of fennel seed, and a pinch of hing. Also add 1 teaspoon of crushed coriander seeds, one tablespoon of minced ginger or ginger paste, and 2 to 3 finely chopped green chilies. Saute this for a few minutes. Now add half cup of green peas, and saute them for a few minutes. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, one teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. Saute until the spices become aromatic. Now add 3 lightly mashed boiled potatoes. Mix well and mash a little more. Next, add half teaspoon of amchur, half teaspoon of garam masala, and salt to taste. Mix well again. Then add a handful of fresh coriander leaves and leave it for cooling.
When your mixture is cooled, form it into small balls with your hand. Now take your rested dough and knead it for another minute. Take a small section and roll it into a ball. Flatten it lightly into a disc shape. Then roll it into a long oval shape as shown. Cut this in half. Then take some water and lightly rub it along the cut edge. Fold in the ends of the cut edge and press them together firmly as shown. Flip this cone shape over and place a ball of filling inside. Now rub some more water over the top edge and fold a pleat into the very top. Then fold it over and press together firmly as shown. Now this one is slightly overstuffed, as you can see, and it actually ended up opening up while frying. So it's important not to overstuff your samosas. But I'll show you the proper amount of filling to use in the next one. Now just follow the same procedure with the other half.
After folding and stuffing your samosas, you will want to fry them on low heat for 25 to 30 minutes. Frying them faster on higher heat will also cause bubbles to form and may not allow the inside of your samosas to cook properly. Make sure to flip them over halfway through frying. When they turn lightly golden, remove them and shake off the excess oil. Place them onto a plate with paper towels as shown.
So here we have our beautiful samosas. They turned out so well. We could not be happier with them. Now it's time for us to try them.
That's a great samosa.
It is so good. I mean, who doesn't love a good samosa, right? If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button for us and also subscribe to our channel. We have tons of new Indian recipes coming to you every week. Bye. Bye.